Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, walking with Timothy, and I'm gonna be out taking a hike on these trails here at Woodland Park and Nature Preserve. This is the resting area is dedicated to Joyce M. Garrett for her volunteer leadership and dedication in creating this park for all to enjoy. Enjoy and rest a while as you experience Woodland Park. And this trail is called Pontoni Trail. Now this is off of Helmer Road. The other park is off of Gethings. Then they got like old papers. Yeah, this is a beautiful area in here. And then this trail there is called Margaret Pontoni, and that trail is called Raymond Pontoni. See a lot of wildlife in here. Sometimes if you're real quiet, you'll be able to see deer in here. Yeah, I love this area. Pretty out here, huh? Then they got like a birdhouse over there. Sorry about that. Had a phone call. Now that trail is called Joyce Garrett. There. Again, these trails used to be number trails. But not number trails anymore, I tell you that much. No, not number trails anymore. Well, I tell you, it is so peaceful and quiet here. Yeah, this bench that I'm sitting on, people. Oh my God, when was it? I can't remember, but I was out here walking, and all of a sudden came up, and these two couple were laying down on this bench that I'm sitting on. And guess what they was doing? Making out on the bench. Like, what is your problem, people? Why are you making out on the bench? Oh my God, it cracked me up, peeps. It cracked me up. Oh, jeez. I don't know why they were doing it, but they were out here making out on this bench. I wouldn't. I tell you that much. But they was. I told them, hey man, be careful, man. You're out in public. You ought to go rent a hotel room. Have any of you ever seen something like that before? Let me know in the comment box if you've ever seen something like that before. But yeah, I'm sure you guys would have gotten a laugh if you'd seen something like that happening. It was funny. It was funny. Now we're going to take Raymond Pontoni Trail. Yeah, the sun's out.
The Wrangler here. Stare down with Gideon, my king cobra. He is a 12-foot long.
So they got a trail in there. Used to be, oh, okay, right there. I don't know if you guys could see, but somebody used to hunt in here. I don't know if you could see, like a leftover, well, hunting seat. There's one up in that tree there. Yeah, they used to hunt in here before they turned this into a park. And whoever hunted out there hunting stuff, but yeah, this is a beautiful park to come to. If any of you are from Michigan and hey, you want to come take a nice stroll, come out here to the Woodland Park Nature and Preserve. It's off of Helmer and Gethings Road. Like I say, this is a beautiful park. You don't have to worry about very much people out here walking. You might get a few, but not much. Hardly ever gets busy out of here. Now, I was out here once and seen some people with their horses out here. Whew. Another good walk. Take a drink of my water I brought. I got a canteen somebody sent me with water in it. Good water. Yummy, yummy. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this walk with me at the Woodland Park and Nature Preserve on the different side this time. Yeah, it's a real good, nice park. Again, if any of you are visiting from here, well, are from Michigan and Looking for any good walking trails and stuff, hey, check out Woodland Park and Nature Preserve. It's a real good place to come to, get away, and just be in nature and stuff. But hey, if you enjoyed this walk with me, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. If you're new and you came along this walking video, hit that subscribe button down below. And subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Hey, also do me a favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. But until my next video, they call me Walking with Timothy. And this walking video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.